Welcome guys, welcome to another video. Today we are at the firm. It's Steve's birthday bash, day after Thanksgiving. We got the golden leader out here, retriever, whatever you want to call it. It's cold, we didn't expect this. We gotta have some fun. We got the whole track to ourselves. It's me, Sean, Kyle, Shaq, Hayden, Haley, Harley, Steve, and the rain. And it's cold. So I'm gonna get my car unstrapped and we'll get to the fun festivities.
Oh my God! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Steve! Happy birthday to you! There we go. He's 50. Now let's do it in Spanish. 50. Dang. It's my time.
Thanks, Steve. You're young.
Close enough. Of course, Lee knows how to do it. I just know y'all don't understand Spanish. I'm all on that 24 gauge steel. He would try to say something. Hey, did you drink it?
Alright, cool. So we're having a good time out here at the firm. Steve's birthday party bash is going real good. I didn't break anything. Just damaged a little bit of paint on the front bumper. Asian broke third. Sean blew out his valve cover. Donnie Wells broke. You know, it's regular stuff. Just regular drift stuff is going on. Shaq blew off a line, caught a fire. Regular drift stuff. And just a normal day drifting with the Monster Boys, but we having a good time. We still got like 3 more hours. So we're gonna go have some more fun, and I'll check back in with you guys. Alright guys, well obviously, you know, I was trying to make it through the day without any more damage besides my front bumper, and then we got this guy. He parked it, he blames his clutch, and he broke my fender.
Bro, I would never park it like that, bro.
I'll put the video, you guys tell me what y'all think. I'll put the clip right after this. Again, because I'm gonna put it before and I'm gonna put it after, and I'm gonna point out what he did wrong. He choked. He said the clutch went on the floor. He could have just got back on the gas and kept going, but he let it stall and smacked my shit. What?
Oh, damn.
Alright guys, so I officially never ended the video. Alright guys, so we had a good time today at Steve's birthday bash over here at the firm. We had a good time, we had some carnage, which means we definitely had a good time. Hope you guys enjoy. Y'all wish Steve happy birthday in the comments. Like, share, subscribe. We'll see you guys next video. Peace!